Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos on Android. Easy methods. Android devices are very easy to use, but that doesn't mean there aren't anything to worry about. One of the most common issues is deleted photos on Android. If you have no idea how to recover deleted photos on Android, don't worry. All it takes a few simple steps and a bit of time. To restore a photo or video from your phone's trash, follow this video. Launch the Photos app. Tap on the menu button in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Trash. Tap Deleted Photos and Videos, and then choose Restore from Trash when prompted to confirm that you want to restore images from your device's storage. You can also restore deleted photos from your SD card or cloud storage by connecting them to your computer and transferring them back into their original folder on Google Drive or Dropbox. The best way to avoid losing your photos is by backing them up. There are multiple ways you can do this, and it's important that you choose the methods that suits your needs. The first one is cloud service. Second, hard drive. Third, computer. You can also use a USB key to restore the photos or transfer the files to another phone for backup purposes. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.